Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your Canva Invoices on your Canva app on your phone. So as you can see, guys, I'm in my mobile phone here. So I have Canva app on my phone. And in order to actually download the invoices, you want to click the, let's say, the icon on the upper left with the three lines. Clicking that. And from here, you want to click where you have your profile at the top, with a little drop down arrow there, and scroll down to where it says purchase history and click on that. Here you'll find all of your purchase history. These are actually your purchase history with the invoices. So if you click the three dots towards the right hand side of any one of these, you'll be able to quickly view your invoice or even download your invoice. All you have to do is tap on download and it's going to quickly download. It's going to pop up on your phone to allow. You can go ahead and you can allow it, and it's going to allow you to quickly download the invoice. And as you can see, I have it there. It's a PDF document. I can quickly open that with whatever application I want, and I should be able to actually save and actually view this document. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. I can quickly view this PDF document on my phone, which whatever app I have on my phone that allows me to do it. But that's how you'll be able to actually download it. As you can see, it says your invoice has been downloaded, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.